Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this traditional Scottish dessert called Cranachan. If you'd like to see how I make it, keep on watching. So for the ingredients, you'll need 120 grams of oats, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract or whiskey if you're doing it the traditional way, 200 grams of raspberries and 350 milliliters of double cream. So to begin with, add your oats to a frying pan or skillet and heat the oats until they are toasted for about 5 minutes or so. Whilst the oats are toasting, you can add the double cream to a mixer. I'm adding in my vanilla extract at this point just so that the cream has some flavour. I don't like cream without flavour, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So I've whisked my double cream until it's quite stiff. You can do it a little bit before this if you like. And now it's just all about layering up your ingredients. So first I'm starting out with my raspberries, and then I'll be adding in my cream and then toasted oats. Now you can add in some of your honey just over the oats, and then I basically repeat everything that I've just done, so I do like a second layer on top. As you can see, I just add another drizzle of vanilla extract before repeating my layers, and guys, that's basically the recipe completed. I couldn't believe how simple it was after doing so much research, but yeah, I guess if you use quality ingredients, the recipe will obviously taste a lot better, but it's something nice, refreshing and light that you can have. Be sure to let me know if you do this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!